Hello everyone, how to find the value of a? 3 to the power a plus 2 is equal to 4 power a minus 1. So let's solve this. As from an algebraic identity, if we have x power m plus n, this is equal to x power m multiplied by x power n. Or we can say that when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their power will be added. So applying this identity here, this will become 3 power a multiplied by 3 squared. This is equal to 4 power a multiplied by 4 power minus 1. So in the next step, if we have x power minus 1, so this is equal to 1 divided by x. By moving this x from numerator to denominator, their power will be positive. So 3 power a multiplied by 3 square, which is 9, is equal to 4 power a into 4 power minus 1. We will write this as 1 divided by 4 power 1, which is 1 divided by 4. Now multiplying both sides by 4, 3 power a multiplied by 9, and this whole will multiply by 4 is equal to 4 power a multiplied by 1 by 4, and multiplying this side also with 4. So now this will become 3 power a multiplied by 9 multiplied by 4 gives us 36. This is equal to this 4 and 4 cancel out each other. We will left with 4 power a multiplied by 1, which is 4 power a. Now dividing both sides by 3 power a. So this will be cancel out each other. 36 is equal to 4 power a divided by 3 power a. We will write this as 4 divided by 3 whole power a. So now we have 4 divided by 3 whole power a is equal to 36. As we are interested to find out the value of a, so now taking log on both sides, log of 4 by 3 whole power a is equal to log of 36. Now by using a logarithmic property, that if we have log of m power n, this is equal to n log of m. Using this identity here, this will become a log of 4 by 3. This is equal to log of 36. Another logarithmic property we will use here, that if we have log of m divided by n, so this is equal to log of m minus log of n. Using this property, this will become a into log of 4 minus log of 3. By using this property, log of m divided by n, which is equal to log of m minus log of n. So this will become log of 4 minus log of 3, and this whole thing is equal to log of 36. And now a into log of 4 minus log of 3, by using calculator we get 0.1249. Log of 4 minus log of 3, this is 0.1249, is equal to log of 36 is equal to 1.556. Now dividing both sides by 0.1249, also dividing here. So from the left hand side, this numerator and denominator cancel out each other. We will left with a is equal to 1.556 divided by 0.1249. So dividing this is nearly equal to 12.4565. So this is the approximate value of A. Now let's verify that whether this value of A is valid or invalid. Now by using the value of A here, this will become 3 power A, which is 12.4565 plus 2, and at the right hand side we have 4 power A, which is 12.4565 minus 1. So whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, we are going to prove. So this will become 3 power 12.4565 plus 2, we get 14.4565, and at the right hand side we have 12.4565 minus 1, we get 11.4565. So by doing this using calculator, we get this is equal to 8,000 with 000 is equal to the same result we get here. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the value of A, which is 12.4565, is valid for the given expression 3 power A plus 2 is equal to 4 power A minus 1. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel The Math Click, please subscribe this.